Today, the United States has declared war against North Korea for launching their nuclear weapons against us. As Commander-in-Chief, I sent 5 million troops to stop Korea from launching their nuclear weapons. The United States government wants our American people to be safe, just in case is there any terrorist attacks happening in the United States. Until then, we will not tolerate this type of behavior. The Korean military is getting ready for the war, and our troops are on their way right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at DEFCON 3. War can be destructive and dangerous. Now, I just sent our world's largest Navy fleet, the USS Ronald Reagan, is filled with lots of nuclear weapons just in case if we have a nuclear war. My fellow Americans, you will be safe during the war. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America.